back to this channel, and we're still on integration by parts. We're looking at this question. Okay, if you check the question, we have two functions. Let's let u be equal to e to the power 2x, and then the u differentiate this respect to this function, so that will be equal to what? Exponential. When you are differentiating exponential, the question is the same as the answer, but you must multiply by the derivative of the power. Then your dv is equal to what? Cos 3x dx. So integrate this. So v is equal to what? Sine 3x. And then can we call this question I? Okay. So we have uv, which is this 1/3 exponential to power 2x sine 3x. Then minus integral of v. And v is what? Is this. This 1/3 can come outside. Sine 3x times du. Du respect to the function. So this will be what? Du is equal to what? This dx. So times 2 exponential to power 2x dx. Then this 2 outside, minus 2/3. This one we need for us to repeat the process of integration by parts, because it involves two functions. It's a product of this one and this one. Okay, so I'm going to take that one out. So let's solve that one. So u is also what? U is also this. So the u is equal to what? 2 times this function dx. Then the v is what? The v is sine 3x dx. So I'm having v now as what? If you integrate this one, if you integrate sine, that will be what? Minus cos of the function 3x. Then you divide by the derivative of this inner function. So that's what we have. Let's begin to substitute now. Uv, this one, integral of this equal to minus 1/3 e to the power 2x cos 3x. Plus integral of e, that's minus 1/3 cos 3x times du times 2 exponential to the power 2x dx. So that's what we have now. So that will be equal to what? Then minus times minus, that's a plus. We can take this number outside. That will be what? Plus 2/3. Plus 2/3 integral of what? Exponential to the power 2x cos what? So now come back here. So we now have the equation I equal to. So the first thing we have here is this one, 1/3 exponential to the power 2x sine 3x, followed by this one minus 2/3. I'm going to open my brackets. Then we have a value for this one. We have a value for this, which is that one, 2/3. Okay, and don't forget this one, this integral here is the same as the question, as this question, which we call what? Which we call I. So that will be what? Plus 2/3 I. Then you close your what? You close your brackets. Okay. You can open the bracket. So we now have this equal to what? 1/3 times this one, and then minus, that's what? That's plus. That's a plus. 2 times 1, that's a 2/9 exponential to the power 2x cos 3x. That's a minus. And don't forget 2/3 times 2/3, that's a 4/9 I. And don't forget minus times a plus, that's minus. So you can bring all the I together. This one can go to other side, equal to what? So we have 13I over 9 equal to what? Equal to this one. Okay, so we now have make the I the subject, equal to 9/13 times c. So that's that on this question. The only thing we need to do is just to probably open the brackets if you want to open the brackets, or you can leave it in this form. Kindly click on the watermarks on this video and subscribe. Click on the like button and begin to type your comments. Okay, share the links of this video on all your social media platforms. Okay, and if you are a returning subscriber, okay, please begin to type your comments, click on the like button and share the links of this video on all your social media platforms. Thank you for doing that.